First, the clutch kick. While cornering, you quickly press and release the clutch to jolt the rear wheels loose. It's simple, but requires practice to avoid stalling. Second, the handbrake entry. Pull the e-brake while steering into a turn to break traction instantly. This is the most beginner-friendly drift initiation method. Third, power over. Simply use throttle to kick the rear wheels out. Works best with higher horsepower BMWs, but control is key. Too much gas and you'll spin. Fourth, the feint drift. You quickly steer opposite before the turn, then swing into the corner. This transfers weight and helps the car slide naturally. Finally, the shift lock. Downshift quickly without rev matching to lock the rear wheels slightly. It's advanced but effective when mastered. These 5 drift techniques are the foundation of controlled drifting. Always practice safely in a closed track or simulator. Subscribe to FlyHy Drift Lab for more BMW skills and car tech tips.